Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set mobile data limit on the Motorola Razr 40. And to do this we'll need to open our system settings, then locate the network and internet. Here you should be able to find your SIM card, and then when you click on it, then there's a data usage here somewhere. Yep, data warning and limit. So we can enable or disable set data warning if you want to receive it or you want to stop receiving the warning. And you can enable your data limit right here. Then change the limit number. So for example, here it's set to 5 gigabytes. You can change it to megabytes as well. Keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. So in this case, I'm going to go for 6,500 megabytes, which is 6.5 gigabyte. Now, I think that's all of the settings we get. Or actually, you can also change the mobile data usage cycle and change the day from when it starts and resets. So for example, let's go for the first day of the month. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.